How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. iPhone 12 has just come out. 2 days ago, the iPhone 12 was just announced. We got 4 brand new iPhones, the 12 mini, 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max. They're coming out next week, half of them. Other half are coming out next month. But I've got 2 iPhones right in front of me, the 12 mini and the 12. This one is not coming out for another month, but I have it. Just kidding, it's a dummy unit. We checked them out a couple of weeks ago when we would take a look at the dummy units, but today we're taking a look at the cases. This video is going to show you all the cases that you may want to consider for your new iPhone 12. First of all, very big thank you to our friends at iBlast and Sup Case. They got a ton of really awesome cases. They sent us pretty much everything. So let's take a look at some of the cases you can pick up for your new iPhone 12. Today we're going to be looking at cases for the 6.1-inch iPhone 12. That works on both the 12 and the 12 Pro. The 12 mini and the 12 Pro Max all have the same cases available. I have every single size here, and they have the same color and style for each size of iPhone. But today we're looking at the 12 and the 12 Pro size. Again, they're all going to be the same. The first cases we're going to be taking a look at is from Sup Case. These are the UB style. UB stands for Unicorn Beetle, and this is probably one of my favorite cases. It's basically a clear case with a rubber bumper around the edges. You can pick from any different color of bumpers. We got red, black, purple, clear, and green. Let's take a look at the green and I'll show you what it looks like. So here is the case, and it's very simple. We got clear on the back, cut out for your camera, and a nice rubber bumper around the edges. It's got color to give it an accent and make it more personalized. Putting the phone in, we can take a look at how it looks. I think that looks really awesome. This is one of my favorite cases. I really like the color accents around the edges, and peel that off. And that just gives it a really clean look. It protects your case while still showing off the color of your phone. They have a wide range of different colors available, so you can get a color bumper that matches the color of your phone. I really like black or clear, but if you want an accent color, this is a good option. Buttons remain really clicky, and there's cutouts for everything. So this is my favorite case, but let's take a look at something with a little more style. Next, we're going to look at the Cosmo line. This is from iBlast, and these are very interesting looking cases. They have 2 styles, but the same color scheme. We have Snap and we have Card. Snap has an integrated ring built into the back of the case. You can use a ring on the phone and hold it. Or we have Snap, which is a card. We have 3 different colors. We have Amethyst, Marble, and Blue. So let's take a look at each of the colors, and they all have their own very unique designs as well. Let's look at the Marble here. And this is the Snap. So it has the ring on the back. And as you can see, this has a very interesting look to it. We have this ring that pops up right here, and it can then be rotated all the way around the phone however you want. This is the Marble, so it has an interesting look to it. But we'll take a look at the other colors and designs in a minute. But dropping our phone in, this one is very easy to get on. It's all rubber with a little bit of plastic on the back. It fits the phone pretty nicely. Some of these dummy units don't quite fit the best. But we got our ring right here, and the benefit of this is that you can hold your phone like that. You can rotate the ring a certain way, and then you can hold your phone and use it. So that's one interesting design. Not quite my favorite. Let's take a look at the card, and we will look at the blue one here. On the card, we have this portion here where you insert the card up top. You slide it down, and then it stays in there. And then to get it out, you just slide it up just like that, and then you can pull your card out. This is the blue. It's got an ocean theme to it. It's a little bit much, but if that's your style, they have tons of these different cases. And then finally, here is the Amethyst, if you want to see what that color design looks like as well. Going back to Sup Case, we have the Vault. This one is, as you would expect, a vault for your cards. So this one is a pretty rugged version of a wallet case. Pulling out here, you can see we've got the very industrial military look to it with another portion for your card. Same design as the last one. You stick it in up top and then you can push out through the bottom. This is actually a really cool look. It's got carbon fiber design and it's pretty industrial looking. I like the look of this one quite a bit, but this one has extremely clicky buttons. It looks and feels great, and this one is also a really awesome case. It's not too thick, it doesn't take up a lot of space on the back, so you can keep your phone nice and slim while protecting it and giving some more functionality to the back. If you need the most extreme protection, we have the UB Pro. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro, and this one is your OtterBox of cases. This one comes in several colors. We got red, violet, black, green, and blue. And this one is pretty ultimate. It comes with a belt clip and a holster if you want to have all of that. You pop this one open through there. It comes with a built-in screen protector. It's got a port cover. It's got a kickstand. It really has anything you could ever want in a case. It's got everything, even a mute switch cover. So this one is really cool. You got a lot of different color options. The color will go on the back and the trim. I like the accent on the trim. I think that's pretty neat. And it's a super rugged case. It comes with this belt clip if you really want that. And this is pretty much an OtterBox on a budget. It has all of the protection and features as an OtterBox, but at a much lower price. Finally, we're looking at the Aries cases. These ones are from iBlast, and let's take a look at that. We have three colors right in front of me. We have purple, ruddy, and black. This one's is pretty similar to the first one we looked at, the Unicorn Beetle, but a little bit more rugged. It's got some more protection around the edges. This one has a port cover and also has a built-in screen protector. So it's pretty similar to the first one we looked at, but this one's more meant for drop protection and all that sort of stuff. And this one's also one of my favorites. I really like the clear on the back so you can see what your phone looks like. So anyway, that is a deep dive at all of the cases you can get from iBlast and Sup Case for your iPhone 12. Let me know what iPhone you are going to be getting in, maybe what I should do with these cases. I don't have this many phones, so let me know what you think I should do with these. But anyway, that's all for this video. Links will be in the description if you want to pick up some of these cases for yourself. If this helped you out, feel free to leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.